If you're one of those people who tend to use skincare products and you don't see changes in your skin, or maybe you are using a particular skincare product and you've bought like 3 bottles, 4 bottles and still not change, or maybe you are seeing little change on your skin, like this skincare product is working, but it's not working fast, it's working really, really slow. Well, this video is for you because I'm going to be sharing with you guys a way in which you can make your skincare products work faster and more effective, especially if you want a brighter, even skin tone. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make your skincare products work faster. Yes, because I know right now you guys understand that skincare products are now on the high side, so you're not ready to start spending so much money having to repurchase a particular skincare products multiple times before you start seeing changes on your skin. This is why this video is very important, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys steps in which you can take that will help your skincare products start working faster for you. Okay. That's one of the reasons why you get slow results in your skincare products is because maybe because you're not exfoliating your skin, guys. Yes, and this is something that I've noticed that some people don't do. They don't exfoliate their skin. Like, how will you want your skincare products to work for you when you're not exfoliating your skin? You guys need to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation is very important, because what exfoliation will do for you is it's going to help to get rid of dead skin cells, unclog your pores, and allow those skincare products penetrate really well into your skin. Yes, and there are different kinds of exfoliants. We have chemical exfoliants and we have physical exfoliants. For the face, I recommend you make use of chemical exfoliants. Those are your AHA, your BHAs. Those are perfect. An example of a very good exfoliant which I'm going to recommend is this one from Clean and Clear. Guys, this particular exfoliant is amazing. Like, I have been using this one for some time now and I've been loving it. Like, it's so good for oily skin. It contains salicylic acid. If you know you have acne prone skin, you guys should not sleep on this particular toner. Okay, and it's a very, very good exfoliant. Now, if you don't want to use a toner, you can actually use serums. We have so many exfoliating serums. We have lactic acid serum. We also have the glycolic acid toner. These are nice exfoliants that you guys can use for your skin that will help to exfoliate your skin. Okay, I will not advise you to make use of a physical scrub on your face. Yes, do not make use of physical exfoliants on your face. Physical exfoliants are perfect for your body. Yes, yeah, you can actually use chemical exfoliants on your body as well in the form of lotions, but you see, physical exfoliants, they are good for the skin, they are good for the body. You can use so many physical exfoliants you can use. You can use a body scrub or you can use a body polish depending on your skin type. I've previously made videos on body scrubs before. I might leave the links to that video down in my description box. But guys, some amazing scrubs that you guys can try. We have the Q Spa scrub, we have the Dove body polish. If you have a dry sensitive skin, we have the Dove body polish. We also have Tree Hot Sugar scrub. We also have Dr. Teal's scrub. These are amazing scrubs that you guys can actually use and would help you exfoliate your skin, like gently exfoliate your skin. Okay, another reason why some of your skincare products don't work is because you're not using the right kind of products that will help to target that specific skin concern. I have noticed that some people don't even know their skin type. Some people don't even know what their skin issue is, just want to buy skincare products that will work. The thing is, if you don't know your skin type and you don't know the name of your skin issue, well, you've not started this skincare thing yet. First of all, before getting any skincare product whatsoever, you need to know your skin type and you need to understand your skin concern. You need to know what you need that will actually help to improve your skin, because you cannot be spending money buying different kinds of skincare products and you don't even know what is even wrong with your skin in the first place. Okay, and you don't even know your skin type. So it is very important for you to know your skin type. I have actually made videos on how to know your skin type. I'm going to leave the links to that video down on my description box. And also, you need to understand your skin concern. Do I have dark spots? Do I have hyperpigmentation? Do I have melasma? Do I have acne? And how can I get rid of it? What are the ingredients I need to look out for that will help me get rid of these particular skincare issues? These are the things that you need to ask yourself. These are questions you need to ask. These are things you need to know. Okay, so if you're just getting skincare products blindly and you don't know what will work for you and what will not work for you, well, that is wrong. Guys, you need to know the kind of cleansers to get. You need to know the kind of serums to get. You need to know the kind of toners to get. You need to know the kind of moisturizers to get for your skin, because you cannot be a dry skin person and get something that is for dry and get something that is for oily skin. because your skin will not get hydrated. You cannot be an oily skin person and you get a skincare product for your dry skin type. Your pores might end up getting clogged and you might start even breaking out because some of those products might be so heavy for your skin. So you need to understand your skin type and you need to know what you need to get for your skin to help improve your skin. Okay, now another reason why some of your skincare products will not be working well for you is because you're not moisturizing your skin. Some people just focus on getting lightening face creams and they ignore moisturizing their skin. You ignore ingredients like ceramide, hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine. Well, that is wrong. You need to actually start using moisturizers that will actually help hydrate your skin. The thing is, some people that, like for my oily skin people and acne prone skin people, you might feel like, oh, you don't really need to use, you need to hydrate your skin is already oily, it's already producing acne. Well, that is wrong. Well, all those skincare products that you used before, all those your treatments and your serums, how would they work if you don't lock in the moisture into your skin? Well, that is why hydrating your skin is very, very, very important. Okay, you need to always moisturize your skin because it's going to help to bring back hydration into your skin and it's going to help to lock in moisture into your skin. Now, another reason why your skincare products don't work for you, which is like, this is like the most important reason, is using a sunscreen. Like, I don't know why some people don't want to use a sunscreen. Like, you're using brightening skincare products and you're not using a sunscreen in your skincare routine. You're not using a sunscreen in the daytime. Why? This is very wrong. If you're using a brightening skincare products or whatever skincare product you're using, you need to use a sunscreen. Using a sunscreen is very important in every skincare routine, especially in the daytime. Like in the morning, you need to use a sunscreen. Especially if you are brightening out your skin, you need to use a sunscreen because you cannot end up using brightening skincare products and in the daytime you're going out and not using a sunscreen. Just like as if you're pouring water on top of stone. Yes, because it's just as if you're pouring water on top of stone. Because why on earth will you be using a brightening skincare product which is supposed to brighten out your skin and you're stepping out into the sun, which would going to darken your skin, and you're not using a sunscreen, you're not protecting your skin from the sun? The sun can darken your skin and it's going to end up making those skincare products that you're using not to work well for you. Yes, because why would I be using a brightening skincare product at night? Even if I'm using my brightening skincare product at night and I'm not using it in the daytime, all those things that your brightening skincare products may have done for your skin at night, in the daytime you are going out into the sun and that sun would end up now darkening your skin and taking you back to square one. So you can see the reason why we always talk about sunscreen. I know that sunscreens are not as cheap as you might want it to be, but honestly, you need to invest in a sunscreen. It is very important for you to invest in a very good sunscreen. I made videos on sunscreens before and I'm going to leave the link to that video down on my description box. But some amazing sunscreens that you guys can get. We have the Atamunge sunscreen, we have the BioUV sunscreen, we have Skin Aqua sunscreens. These are amazing, some of the amazing sunscreens that you guys can actually get for your skin. Please, please, please and please use a sunscreen in the daytime. Even if you're going to be indoors, use a sunscreen. Yes, and the reason why is because the rays of the sun can also penetrate from your window to your skin. Yeah, so you need to use a sunscreen, honestly. So that's some of the reasons why some of your skincare products don't work and how you can make your skincare products work faster for you. Okay, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video and let me know under the comment section your thoughts about this video, and if there is any other video you want me to make for you, let me also know that on the comment section. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys do so well to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, and also leave your comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.